The devastation not on just the islands or along the coast. Inland, some areas are still underwater. This is Arcadia in DeSoto County, 40 miles from the Gulf Coast. A man posted this drone video. It was shot today. It's been 3 days since the Peace River hit historic levels, but the water there is nowhere near gone. And the National Weather Service reports it could be another week or so before that river returns to normal. CNBC's Valerie Castro is there for us tonight.
The roar of an airboat is the sound of help, supplies, and even people being ferried around DeSoto County, an inland community flooded after swollen rivers were overwhelmed by the storm. Aerial footage shows acres of flooded land and homes, including livestock, still surrounded by feet of water. In some areas, rooftops are just now beginning to be revealed as the water level goes down.
It's a bad day, but you know what? God is good, and we're all going to make it through.
How are you mentally powering through this?
I was good until you asked. It's a lot. It's a lot. You see your community just torn up. I mean, our neighbors, they lost a lot.
County Commissioner J.C. Deriso says there is a network of volunteers.
We're working together. I think that everybody that needs food has food. We're just working through our social networks to say, is there a need here or there? Communicating, sometimes word to mouth, sometimes passing word over boats if the cell phones aren't working. So everybody's checking on everyone they know.
Military help has also reached this area. Large trucks power their way through with more supplies, while people on the other side wait for a lift.
It is hard to travel right now. We can't go on cars. It's very flooded.
This time last week, this was Highway 70 here in DeSoto County. Imagine cars driving through this intersection. The Peace River campground is right behind me. But just a few days after Hurricane Ian hit the Gulf Coast, this area completely flooded. And up until yesterday, the water level here was well above my head. For those who grew up here, like Sarah Walker, information officer for the county, the devastation is tough to see.
We haven't seen this in any of our lifetimes. My dad actually was born and raised here in 1950. Never seen the county split like this by the river. So it's quite remarkable as far as what's happening here.
Perhaps even more remarkable, the will of the people who live here.
DeSoto County is just, we're small, but we're strong. We lock arms. We, work together.
I was born and raised here. There's no way. This is home. There's no rebuilding somewhere else. This is home.
Shep, the people who live here are used to some flooding. This is a river community, and you might hear an airboat behind me in the background. A lot of people here have boats, but this is being called a 500-year flood event. The people who live here have never seen anything like this. In fact, about 30 feet that way, that's the railroad tracks that cut through the center of town. Right now, they are getting a lot of supplies, military bringing food and MREs, but they say they still need everyday essentials like toiletries, household items, even pet food. And further down the road, they're going to need volunteers to help them rebuild. Shep?
Valerie Castro in still flooded Arcadia, Florida tonight.